Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I'm Shruti, and if you are new here, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out any update from us. So are you thinking about building your own mobile application but don't know where to start? Or maybe you have an existing process of mobile app development but you have to enhance that one? Then look no further, because today I'll give you a comprehensive guide of step by step that how you can develop a successful mobile application. So from everything from starting the concept of your application to launching and even after maintenance of your application, we have got you covered from each and every side. So let's get started. So let's understand the whole process step by step. First step is define your idea. So defining your idea is the foundation of any app development process, because here you need to see that who is your target audience, what you want from your application, what are your future goals from your application, which features you want. So you have to first decide what you want your application to do. You have to define your goal first, because here if you do this clearly and in a very good way, then you are defining a huge foundation for your application and you are making your application future ready, because this is the main and the foundation step of your application. Second is plan, design and choose your tech stack. So all these steps, that is planning, designing and choosing the right technology for your application, is very important when it comes to developing an application, which means development of your application. So here first you have to plan the whole thing, that what you want to do. You have to plan each and everything related to your application. What is the target audience, what you want from your application, what's the whole planning, what's the whole process, you have to decide it. Then after this planning, you have to design your application perfectly. You should know how your application will actually look, how it will work. You have to design it a very particular way. The interface should be great, everything should be great. And after the designing is done, you have to choose the technology which you are going to use. For example, you can use Flutter if you want to go for platforms, both the platforms, that is iOS and Android. You can go with PHP, you can go with Node.js. So here you have to choose that which technology you are going to choose and from which technology you are going to create an application, because these technology and planning stuff are also very important when it's come to developing a particular application. Next is developing and testing. So here you have to develop your application properly through coding. You have to see that each and every code is proper. Maybe that your application is of a single code base, which means you are using Flutter, or if you are going with native, then you have to build two separate code bases. So here you have to do a proper coding and develop your application, and when this application is ready, you have to do a thorough testing on different devices to see that your application runs perfectly on each and every device. And after testing, here you have to solve each and every bug you find. You can't leave any of the bug behind, because then future problems are going to come a huge amount of that. So here you have to do a proper testing on each and every device, and after developing and testing is done, we can go to the further step. Fourth step is launching your application. So here launching application is a milestone step, because here you have to do each and everything proper. You have to decide on which platform you are going to launch your application. You have to launch your application there. You have to see the all marketing and promotional strategies, so you can gain a huge amount of traffic on your application when your application is launched. So the whole process should be done very quickly and in a very good way with proper planning, so that whole launching process is completed in a very successful way. And lastly, the step is maintain and update your application. So maintaining and updating your application is very important when you want long-term success. So here maintain your application properly, see whole analytics, see your users feedback. Here you should observe your users feedback and you should give proper updates time to time, because here you have to add new features, you have to update your application, you have to fix any bugs. If your users are saying that this is the problem, you have to solve each and every problem of your users, and you have to see that your application is maintained and updated properly on time if you want future success for your application. So there you have it. You can follow the steps and you are going to create a high quality application, and these were the basic steps. If you want proper guide, proper tips, more tips and features which will make your application stand out in the whole market, then you can call us directly. We can provide you 20 minutes free consultation services, and here if you want further consultation you can always buy that. So if you want any help from us, you can directly call us. Our contact number is given in the description box. So that's it for today's video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And for further information, you can also visit our website which is linked in that description. Thank you, and we'll meet in the next video.